Welcome. Uh, Thanks for joining and welcome to this introduction to the Tai Chi long form. We're going to go through the first section of the Tai Chi Yang style long form. I'm going to do the movements facing away from the camera so that you can follow along. And I will be doing this section. I will just be going straight through without any instruction, but there is another video you'll be able to watch where there is going to be instruction along as we break down each of the movements. Okay,